Hari Om, Namo Namah. Learning Sanskrit by verses, verse number 65, Ati Paricayad Avajna. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. Ati Paricayad Avajna Santatagamanadanaadaro Bhavati. Padachede. Ati Paricayad Avajna Santatagamanad Anadaraha Bhavati. Malaye Billapurandhri Chandanatarukaஷ்ठमिन्धनं कुरुते. पदच्छेदे मलये बिल्लपुरन्ध्री चन्दनतरुकाष्ठम् इन्धनं कुरुते. अन्वयेन अतिपरिचयात् अवज्ञा भवति, सन्ततगमनात् अनादरः भवति. मलये बिल्लपुरन्ध्री चन्दनतरुकाष्ठम् इन्धनं कुरुते. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाकः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. अवज्ञा अतिपरिचयात् भवति, अनादरः सन्ततगमनात् भवति. बिल्लपुरन्ध्री चन्दनतरुकाष्ठम् इन्धनं मलये कुरुते. शब्दाभ्यासः. अतिपरिचयात् अवज्ञा भवति. अतिपरिचयात्, अतिपरिचय पुल्लिंगम, पंचमी एकवचनम. परिचयः heaping up, accumulation, acquaintance, familiarity, intimacy. The sloka has been quoted. Ati paricayad avajna. Familiarity breeds contempt. Parichayam chalalakshati Sakalakala parichayah. परिचयः ट्रायल, स्टडी, प्रैक्टिस, फ्रीक्वेंट रेपिटेशन. हेतु परिचये स्थैर्ये वक्तुर्गुणनिकैव सा वर्णपरिचयं करोति. रिकग्निशन, परिचय. चिरं मातुलपरिचयात् अविज्ञातवृत्तान्तोऽस्मि. दिस इज फ्रॉम प्रतिमा ड्रामा. अवज्ञा स्त्रीलिंगम, प्रथमा एकवचनम. अवज्ञा, अवज्ञा, अंग. Disrespect, contempt, slighting, low opinion. नात्मन्यवज्ञा कर्तव्या. This is from Hitopadeshva. Disregard, with the object in locative or generative or genitive. आत्मन्यवज्ञां शिथिलीचकार. ये नाम केचिदिह न प्रथयन्त्यवज्ञाम्. Oh, this is from Malvika-Agnimitra. I am also in Shantipatha. अविज्ञावज्ञेयं परितपति चौर्नोच्चैरपि बुधम्. भवति भूतोतौ लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. भू प्रथमगणः परिस्मृति, रेर्लि आत्मनेपदी. भवति बभूव, अभूत्, भविष्यति, भवितुं, भूत. टू बी, टू बिकम. कथमेवं भवेन् नाम. अस्याः किमभवत्. What has become of her fate? What has become of her? यद्भावि तद्भवतु. Come what may. So, दुःखितो भवति, रुष्टो भवति. To be born or produce. यदपत्यं भवेदस्याम्. भाग्यक्रमेण हि वना धनानि भवन्ति यान्ति. To spring or proceed from, arise. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः. Happen, take place, occur. ना तथायि वधे दोषो हन्तुर्भवति कश्चन. यदि संशयो भवेत्. सन्ततगमनात् अनादरः भवति. सन्ततगमनात्, सन्ततगमन नपुंसकलिङ्गं, पंचमी एकवचनं. सन्ततं गमनम् इति सन्ततगमनं. सन्ततं Santata, past participle. Stretched, extended, uninterrupted, continual, constant, regular, lasting, eternal, much, many. Santatam, indeclinable, always, continually, constantly, eternally, perpetually. Gamanam, gam, lute. Going, motion, gait. शोणीभाराद् अलसगमना Gajendra Gamane. Going, motion, considered as one of the five karmans by the Vaisheshikas. Approaching, going to. Anadaraha. Anadara, pullingam prathamaikvachanam. Na adaraha, anadaraha. Na tatpurusha. Disregard, disrespect, disdain, contempt. Shashticha anadare. This is from Panini Sutram 2.3.38. मलये भिल्लपुरंध्री चंदनतरुकाष्ठम इंधनं कुरुते. मलये, मलय, पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम. मलयः, name of a mountain range in the south of India, abounding in sandal trees. Poets usually represent the breeze from the Malay mountain as wafting the odor of the sandal trees and other plants growing thereon, which peculiarly affects persons who are smit with love. स्तनाविव दिशस्तस्या शैलो मलय दर्दुरौ विना मलयमन्यत्र चंदनम न प्ररोहति. Malaye Billa Purandhiri, same shloka has been quoted. Subhashitam. Name of the country lying to the east of the Malaya range, Malabar. Billa Purandhiri, Srilingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Billasya Purandhiri, Billa Purandhiri, Shashti Tatpurusha. Billasya, Billa, Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam, Shashti Ekvachanam. Billaha, name of a wild tribe that lives in the Vindhya hills, in the forests of Malava, Mewar, Khandesh, and the Deccan. Malaye Billa Purandhiri, same shloka I quote. Purandhri, Purandhrihi or Purandhri, Puram Kehasthajanam, Dharayati, Dhru Khach, Neep, Pushodaratva, Rasvaha. An elderly married woman, a respectable matron, Purandhrinam Chittam, Kusuma Sukumaram hi bhavati. A woman whose husband and children are living. Chandana Taru Kashtham, Chandana Taru Kashtha, Napusakalingam, Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Chandana Yuktaha Taruhu, Chandana Taruhu, Madhyama Padalopi Tatpurusha. Chandana Taroho Kashtham, Chandana Taru Kashtham, Shashti Tatpurusha. Chandanaha or Chandanam. Chanda Nyantat Lyu. Okay. Sandal, the tree, the wood, or any unctuous preparation of the wood, held in high estimation as a perfume and refrigerant application. Oh. Analaya Guru Chandana Idhasai from Raghuvamsham. Maniprakara Sarasam Cha Chandanam Shucho Priye Yanti Janasya Sevyatam. Evancha Bhashate Lokas Chandanam Kila Shitalam. Putragatrasya Samsparshas Chandanadatirichyate. This is from Panchatantra. Vinamalamanyatra Chandanam na pravohati. Anything most excellent of its kind. Chandana. Taroho, Taru. Pullingam, Shashti Ekvachanam. Taru, adjective, oh, adjective. Through unadi, protecting. And then Taruhu, masculine, a tree. Navasanrohona, Shithilas Taruviva, Sukara Samudhartum. Kashtham, kashtham, kashthan, a piece of wood, especially one used as a fuel. Wood or timber, a piece or log of wood in general. यथा काष्ठञ्च काष्ठञ्च समययातां महोदधौ. A stick शोणितेन विना दुःखं कुर्वन् काष्ठादिभिर्नरः. इंधनम, इंधन नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. इंधन adjective. Oh. In the niche look, kindling, lightning. Okay. And indhanam, neuter, kindling, lightning, fuel, wood, etc. Shokanalain, shokanalain dhanatam. कुरुते, कृ धातोः आत्मने लटि प्रथमपुरुषाय एकवचनम्. अष्टमगणिः उभयपदी. करोति कुरुते, चकार चक्रे, अकार्षीत् अकृत, अकृतः, अकृत, कर्तुं, करिष्यति ते, कृत. टू डू in general. तात किं करवाण्यहं, to make. गणिकाम् अवरोधम् अकरोत्. नृपेण चक्रे युवराज शब्दभाव. युवराजः कृतः. मैन्युफैक्चर शेप प्रिपेयर. कुंभकारो घटं करोति, कटं करोति. टू बिल्ड क्रिएट. गृहं कुरु, सभां कुरु, मदर्थे भोः. टू प्रोड्यूस कॉज एंजेंडर. रतिमुभय प्रार्थना कुरुते. टू फॉर्म अरेंज. अंजलिं करोति, कपोतहस्तकं कृत्वा. अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल मीनिंग. अतिपरिचयात् अवज्ञा भवति. Excessive familiarity leads to devaluation, avajna. Santatagamanas anadaraha bhavati. Going repeatedly to someone else's house or to someone causes disrespect. Malaye Billapurandri Chandanataru Kashtam Indhanam Kurute. In the Malaya region, the tribal lady uses sandalwood also as firewood only. Chando Visheshanam. Atiparicayad avajna. The matra are 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. कुलतः द्वादश मात्राः. सन्ततगमनाद् अनादरो भवति. सन, so 2, त त ग म, 1, 1, 1, 1. ना द, 2, 1, 2, 1. रो, 2. Then bhavati, 1, 1, 1. But being last one, it is counted as 2. So कुलतः अष्टादश मात्राः. मलये भिल्लपुरन्ध्री. मलये a 1 1 2. Bhilla, so 2 1. Pura, 2 1. But because of 3, r becomes 2 and 3 is 2. So कुलतः द्वादश मात्राः. चंदनतरु काष्ठम् इंधनं कुरुते. चंदन, so च 2 नतरु 1 1 1 1. का 2 ष्ठ 1. Min, so 2. Dha nang 1 2. कुरुते 1 1 2. कुलतः पंचदश मात्राः. आर्यावृत्तमिदं यतः यस्याः पादे प्रथमे द्वादश मात्रास्तथा तृतीयेऽपि अष्टादश द्वितीये पंचदश चतुर्थे सार्याम्. टिप्पण्यः, notes of self-help. A tribal lady in Malay region using sandalwood only as firewood is here an illustration to endorse the statement Ati Parichayad Avajna. Excessive familiarity leads to devaluation. Such figure of speech, arthalankara, using an illustration is drishtanta alankara. Drishtanta is illustration. I am not convinced that santataka manat anadara bhavati, going repeatedly to someone causes disrespect, is a valid observation. Going repeatedly can also develop a bond. Disrespect can develop only if your conduct is not proper. It all depends upon how we conduct ourselves. It is rightly said in Gita, Uddhared Atmanatmanam, na Atmanam avasadayit. Atmaiva Atmano Bandhura, Atmaiva Vipuratmanam. One should always be striving to uplift oneself, Uddhared. Never do anything that would downgrade oneself, avasadayit. No. It is only oneself, Atma eva, which works as one's friend or foe. Bandhu, Ripu. Santatagamanat anadaro bhavati, anadara bhavati, going repeatedly to someone causes disrespect also depends upon whom you meet repeatedly. If you meet a precept repeatedly, his imparting knowledge to you will only help uplift you. Even in the example of a tribal lady in Malaya region using sandalwood only as firewood, it is no fault of the sandalwood that the lady became atiparichita, over familiar with it, and hence made sandalwood to suffer avajna. It is no fault of the lady either to use sandalwood only as firewood, because her dire need is to have firewood. If it is sandalwood which is abundantly available to her, she uses that. Even so, the Subhashitam is good because it gives us a caution and a lesson that Atiprajayad Avajna, excessive familiarity, may lead to devaluation. And Santatagamanat Amanadara Bhavati, going repeatedly to someone, may cause a disrespect. We must always be cautious of our own conduct, that we do not suffer avajna, devaluation, or anadaraha, disrespect. Shubhamastu. This shloka abhyasa is study for learning Sanskrit and shloka together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details padachhedaha, vakyamsha visheshanam, shabdabhyasaha, chanda visheshanam. As studying shloka, the study details anvayartha, syntactical meaning, and swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech if any, other relevant course, etc. are studied. This study is Swanta Sukhaya for self-containment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.